Good morning, students. లాస్ట్ క్లాస్లో మనం యూనిట్ 2లో నుంచి రీడింగ్ సి, దట్ ఈస్ వివిఎస్ లక్ష్మణ్, వివిఎస్ Lakshman, very special. So ఈ లెసన్ ని మనం స్టార్ట్ చేసాం లాస్ట్ క్లాస్ లో. Today again that lesson will be continue. So before I start, and if you have textbooks, and please open the textbooks and read, look where I am explaining, so that's very important. Let us see that. So some part, and we have completed the first page, and from the first page the lesson, from the bottom first paragraph, the first question is, the sports star who has been the biggest influence on you? The sports star asked VVS Lakshman, who has been the biggest influence on you? So my dear students, here in everybody's life there will be one person definitely will influence. So their influence definitely upon us. It may be your father, it may be your mother. Some people, they used to say, so who will inspire you? Then people who have been succeeded, and they will say, so my biggest influence is my father, like that. So in the same way here, is there anybody influence on your life? So that's the sports star is asking. Then here VVS Lakshman replied in such a way, simply, yes, my parents, and his biggest influence in your life is are his parents. Who are his parents? Dr. V. Shantaram and Dr. V. Satyabhama. So here, one thing we have to understand, Dr. V. Shantaram Dr. V. Satyabhama. So here, children, VVS Lakshman's father and here mother, VVS Lakshman's mother, both are doctors. And finally, VVS Lakshman's family is a doctor's family. Actually, remember, he too wants to become a doctor because his parents are doctor. So definitely, and doctor's father and doctor's children, definitely, if there are two, definitely one definitely will become a doctor. So here it is quite opposite. As he came from doctor's family, he would become a doctor, but it is quite opposite. So of course, and these two are big influence on VVS Lakshman. And they said, no doubt about that, and especially given that fact that sports wasn't never an integral part of our family. Integral part. So actually, integral part అంటే it is including life. So here the sports wasn't an integral part of my family because my family was a doctor's family అని వివిఎస్ లక్ష్మణ్ చెప్పాడు. And at the same time, but the guiding philosophy which they taught was handling success and failure with equal ease. They refers to my parents. The guiding family was they taught me and treat the success and the failure with an equal ease. Equally you have to treat. Of course, you have chosen the another way, so it is okay. But here, do one thing. If you want to become a cricket player, so the way that you have chosen, definitely there will be some hurdles. So don't be panic and don't worry about it. Of course, it is no matter whether you fail or succeed, no matter. But you have to treat them with equal ease. That was his guiding philosophy and it was given by their parents. And next question, next para చూస్తే, what did the sports teach you? The question is, so VVS Lakshman, something he had learned from his career, that is sport. ఇతను స్పోర్ట్స్ చూస్ చేసుకున్నాడు. సో ఇక్కడ స్పోర్ట్స్ అడిగిన క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటంటే, what did you learn? What did you learn from at the same time what did the sport teach you? Then he said simply, and the sport taught me character. So to teach success and failure on the same wavelength. Character of the character here ఏం చెప్పిందంటే, number 1 is character teaches the. At the same time, రెండోది to treat success and failure. Success and failure on the same wavelength. So these two are the sports taught me to, in my career, and it also taught me to be very balanced and obviously. The word obviously. Certainly or clearly. So obviously whatever I am today is because of cricket. So here what VVS Lakshman, so today whatever I am today, the only reason is because of cricket. Cricket వల్ల మాత్రమే ఈ రోజు వివిఎస్ లక్ష్మణ్ is a famous batsman in Indian cricket team. He is the one of the main role in Indian cricket team. If the people thought the only reason behind that because of cricket and I became famous and I was very familiar to Indians. That is what VVS Lakshman said. Next question. What was the most difficult phase of your career? So, what was the career of VVS Lakshman, sports star and cricket star? So, the phase in that means a part. So, what was the most difficult phase in your career? So it was when I had, so the most difficult phase is when I had to prefer cricket to academics. That was a difficult phase and a difficult part in my life. That is what here VVS Lakshman said. So when I chose cricket to academics అని కాకుండా క్రికెట్ని నేను చూస్ చేసుకున్నప్పుడు అది నాకు డిఫికల్ట్ ఫేజ్ అనిపించింది అని చెప్తున్నాడు. సో దట్ వాస్ ద టఫెస్ట్ మూమెంట్, దట్ వాస్ వెరీ డిఫికల్ట్ మూమెంట్స్ ఆఫ్ మై లైఫ్, వాట్ వీఎస్ లక్ష్మణ్ సెడ్. Though there was always the dream to play for my country. So though there was a dream and there was always the dream, and I had a dream always that I want to play to my country. Of course it was, but it was the toughest moment in my life because and I had chosen cricket to academics. So I also had a natural desire to be a doctor. Actually, I too had a natural desire. Because my parents are doctors. So that's why I too had a natural desire that I want to become a doctor, because coming from a doctor's family. But luckily, fortunately, my father gave me the complete freedom to choose any one of the two. So here VVS Lakshman said, I was so lucky. So I too had a natural desire to become and I want to become a doctor. But fortunately, my father had given me a chance and the freedom to choose any one of the two. Any one of the two అంటే క్రికెట్. ఇక్కడ ఒకటేమో క్రికెట్, రెండోది అకాడమిక్స్. సో ఈ రెండిట్లో ఏదో ఒకటి చూస్ చేసుకోమని మా ఫాదర్ నాకు ఇచ్చిన ఫ్రీడమ్. సో I was so lucky అని చెప్తాడు ఇక్కడ. And here the role of my uncle Baba Mohan was very crucial along with some of the coaches then. Here in my life career also the role of my uncle, so VVS Lakshman Baba Mohan, and it is very crucial, it was very important. Crucial means very difficult kan kaadu, it's very important along with some other coaches. Naku other coaches ఉన్నప్పటికీ and my uncle Baba Mohan యొక్క రోల్ కూడా చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ my career లో అని చెప్తున్నాడు. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ చూడండి. Do you believe that it will be difficult for the modern day a young talent to be it as big as you did? How things changed a lot in this regard? First, understand this question. Do you believe that it will be difficult for the modern day? ఈ రోజులో అంటే ఈ ఆధునిక ప్రపంచంలో ఈ ఆధునిక అంటే ఈ ప్రెజెంట్ డేస్లో ఒక యంగ్ టాలెంటెడ్కి ఇది ఒక బిగ్ డిఫికల్ట్ అని మీరు అనుకుంటున్నారా? ఎందుకంటే because how things changed a lot in this regard. ఈ క్రికెట్ కెరీర్లోకి వచ్చేసరికి చాలా థింగ్స్ చాలా మార్పులు జరిగినాయి. ఇప్పుడు మీకులాగా ఫేమస్ అవ్వాలంటే ఒక స్పోర్ట్స్ స్టార్, ఒక మంచి ఫెమిలియర్ స్పోర్ట్స్ స్టార్ అవ్వాలంటే ఇది చాలా డిఫికల్ట్ అని మీరు భావిస్తున్నారా అని ఒక స్పోర్ట్స్ స్టార్ అడిగిన ప్రశ్న వివిఎస్ లక్ష్మణ్ దానికి ఏం రిప్లై ఇచ్చాడో చూడండి. ఫ్రాంక్లీ అండ్ బోల్టీస్ ఏం చెప్తున్నారంటే, nowadays it is more easy to perform and to be recognized because of media glare. Frankly said, and very boldly and very open mind, what VVS Lakshman said, nowadays it is more easy. ఈ రోజుల్లో ఇది చాలా సులభతరం అంటాడు. బికాస్ ఆఫ్ ద మీడియా గ్లేర్, బికాస్ ఆఫ్ మీడియా, ఫేస్బుక్, వాట్సాప్, సోషల్ మీడియా ఉంది, అలాగే ఎలక్ట్రానిక్ మీడియా ఉంది, అండ్ పేపర్స్, న్యూస్ పేపర్స్. సో ఇన్ దోస్ డేస్ ఓన్లీ ద న్యూస్ పేపర్, బట్ నౌ ద సోషల్ మీడియా is available. So that's why it was very easy to become very famous. And there are many platforms, there are many platforms and there are many choices for real talent to become a good, and there was one of them, IPL అంటే తెలుసు కదా, ఇండియన్ ప్రీమియర్ లీగ్. So this was IPL, and because there was good platforms for the real talent people, and good, and IPL is one such a good platform that pushed you into the national recognition and a recognition. If you perform, you are bound to be recognized. If you perform well in IPL, if you perform, if you play well in IPL, definitely you will be recognized and you will be bounced, you will be bound. So that means bound in the sense cultivate button card, that you will become a very famous person, and automatically the chance will come definitely if you perform well in IPL today, nowadays. See the next question. From where did you draw the strength to emerge as a giant every time there was an effort to draw your achievements? So, from where did you draw the strength? The question. To emerge means to exist as a giant, as every time there. ఒక జైంట్గా ఎనీ ఐపీఎల్ అయినా, ఎనీ టెస్ట్ సిరీస్ అయినా చాలా స్ట్రెంథన్ గాను, చాలా యాక్టివ్ గాను ఎప్పుడు కూడా మీరు పర్ఫామ్ చేసేవాళ్ళు ఎక్కడి నుంచి పొందారు? ప్రతి ఒక్క అచీవ్మెంట్కి ఆ స్ట్రెంత్ ఎక్కడి నుంచి వస్తుంది అని స్పోర్ట్స్ స్టార్ అడిగినప్పుడు వివిఎస్ లక్ష్మి చెప్పింది ఏంటంటే, that my strength are my parents. My parents and my entire family. So this is my strength. And every time they give me good strength, and they appreciate me, they push me, and they supported me well morally. And they, not only my family, along with my well-wishers also, and were always the source of inspiration. The best part is that they never changed irrespective of whether I was performing or not. ఒక విషయం గమనించాలి ఇక్కడ. The best part is they never changed their irrespective of whether they never changed their attitude, whether I was performing or not. ఒక్కొక్కసారి బాగా ఆడచ్చు, ఒక్కొక్కసారి బాగా ఆడలేకపోవచ్చు. బట్ దే నెవర్ బాదర్ అబౌట్ మై పర్ఫార్మింగ్. దే నెవర్ చేంజ్ దేర్ యాటిట్యూడ్. ఎవ్రీ టైమ్ ద సేమ్ యాటిట్యూడ్ దే హ్యాడ్. సో దట్ వాస్ గుడ్ స్ట్రెంత్ ఫర్ మీ. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ చూడండి. వాట్ వర్ యువర్ బిగ్గెస్ట్ మూమెంట్ యాజ్ ఎ క్రికెటర్? ఒక క్రికెటర్గా ఒక బిగ్గెస్ట్ మూమెంట్ దట్ ఈస్ దట్ యు నెవర్ ఫర్గెట్ ఇన్ యువర్ లైఫ్. See the answer. There were many biggest moments, but some standouts. Standouts means be highly noticeable. చాలా ఎక్కువగా పర్ఫామ్ చేసింది. Though I never played the World Cup that saw India as the number one team, of course, I never played in the World Cup team that I want to see the India is number one. Being a member of the Indian team, అంటే ఒక ఇండియన్ టీమ్ లో ఒక మెంబర్ గా ఉన్నప్పుడు the world number one that I want to see in the cricket, the test is one of them. I was there. Test series లో ఇండియా క్రికెట్ టీం నెంబర్ 1 ఉండడానికి, సో దాంట్లో నేను ఒక టీం మెంబర్ని. The 281 against the Aussies in Kolkata 2001 was another, and that test remains the most memorable match for me. 2001 లో కోల్కతాలో ఆడిన ఈ యొక్క ఆసీస్ మీద ఆడిన ఈ యొక్క మ్యాచ్ ఏదైతే ఉందో, that was the most memorable to me. In fact, the test series was very special for all the players. ఆ టెస్ట్ సిరీస్ అనేది ఆ టైంలో పర్ఫామ్ చేసిన ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి ఒక మోస్ట్ మెమరబుల్ అని చెప్తున్నాడు. ఇన్ఫ్యాక్ట్ it was also the best and the most memorable series. That series gave us confidence. మేమేదైతే ఆసిస్ మీద టెస్ట్ సిరీస్ ఆడామో 2001లో, ఆ టెస్ట్ సిరీస్ తర్వాత మాకు ప్రతి ఒక్క టీం మెంబర్కి ఒక గుడ్ కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ కూడా వచ్చింది దట్ వీ కెన్ బి ద బెస్ట్ అని. క్లియర్లీ దట్ వాస్ ద టర్నింగ్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియన్ క్రికెట్ ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్. ఒక విధంగా చెప్పాలి అంటే దట్ వాస్ ద టర్నింగ్ పాయింట్ టు ద ఇండియన్ క్రికెట్ టీమ్. That is in such a way here VVS Lakshman very special lo tanichina sports interview, and tomorrow I will continue the class. So meanwhile we have to read the text also, right? Thank you.